As you probably know by now, there's quests in Rust. Let's see exactly what you need to do and what you'll get for doing the quests in Bandit Camp. When you get to Bandit Camp, simply head to the center of it, roughly here, and by this building, right in the center, you'll find the Lumberjack. Now, speaking to the Lumberjack, we can get our first quest. So our first quest is to head to the forest and pick up an item. All we need to do is accept it. Then on our map, you should see a brand new marker nearby, hopefully really close. First, lost bottles. What we need to do is navigate across there. You'll find it both on the map and at the very top of your screen on the compass as well. Simply navigating all the way across to it, you'll find exactly where the marker is, a little stash inside a bottle of vodka. Grabbing this and heading all the way back to Bandit Camp to this main building, speaking to the Lumberjack once more, we can hand in this item and we'll get rewarded. You get a full metal hatchet for this. Speaking to them again and accepting our next mission, we need to go and harvest 2,000 wood and return. In return, they'll give us a crossbow and some arrows. So for this, you'll need to head to a specific forest marked on the map. You can grab the wood and then head over there, but as long as you head to this location, or at least plus minus this location, it should tick off that part on the list. Then it's just to collect enough wood. After you collect enough wood using that item or otherwise, we'll need to head back to the Bandit Camp once more and speak to the Lumberjack again. Then we'll receive our reward, which is a crossbow and 15 arrows. Pretty good. Speaking to them a last time, we can do one final quest for them, and that is to kill 3 animals of any kind, for which they'll award us some armor. For this, we'll need to load the crossbow that we were given, or any weapon for that matter, hunt 3 animals and return. There is no specific location for this, but finishing this task using any means necessary, you'll then need to return to the Lumberjack. Heading back to the Lumberjack, we can hand in our quests, and just like that, we'll be rewarded with a hoodie, pants, and a bucket helmet. Speaking to them, unfortunately, that's it. There's no more quests you'll get from here. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.